3 preseason games in Dallas against the Mavs. There's Vinny trying to find the rotation. Bulls got off to a rough start in this one. The veteran Jason Kidd kicks it out to Josh Howard, buries the 3. Dallas in front by 9 early. Just a half minute later, Dirk Nowitzki, the all-star, backing down Tyrus Thomas, hits the fadeaway jumper. Mavs in front 13-2. Derrick Rose didn't start for the Bulls, but he sure made an impact right away. He drives to the line here, scores with a left-handed lay-in, more aggressive than we've seen him in previous preseason games. Second quarter now, off the Kirk Heinrich miss, the Mavs get out on the run. Gerald Green, they picked him off the scrap heap. The former slam dunk champion throws one down. Transition game working for Dallas. Then later, Green drives around Larry Hughes, and he throws that one down. Mavs in front by 13. Meanwhile, Rose continues to lead the Bulls. He scores his kid there, gets the basket and a foul. And then it's more from the rookie. This time, nice crossover move. Fakes out Jason Terry, gets the lay-in. Rose led the Bulls with 10 first-half points, but they trail by 16 at the break. Third quarter, Luol Deng tries to get spots up, knocks down the long jumper. Bulls trailing this game by 14 points. Then Nowitzki goes back to work for Dallas. He knows he's got these smaller Andres Josiah. Baseline jumper to beat the shot clock. Then more from Dirk. Left wide open, buries the 3 from the top of the key. Mavericks in front by 21. Most of the fans heading for the exits. Meanwhile,